Hey guys, this is Brady. I'm the new salesman at Barkau Automotive in Stockton, Illinois. I just wanted to showcase this new Chevy Silverado half-ton Duramax 3-liter diesel. Advanced design features of this engine provide the power, efficiency, and durability you'd expect from a Duramax turbo diesel engine. This new engine has 460 pound-feet of torque mounted to a 10-speed transmission for seamless power and plenty of capability for trailering and payload. That capability is 1900 payload and 9300 trailering. You don't have to worry about your gas mileage draining. You have 23 city and 33 highway for a combined of 27 miles per gallon. That's like an SUV nowadays. With all that being said, why don't you come check this truck out? We are located at Barkau Automotive in Stockton, Illinois, or give us a call at 815-947-3600.